Welcome to your new travel buddy, the Atomizer. Perfect for perfume lovers who like to take their favorite perfumes everywhere. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or someone who appreciates a touch of luxury in your daily routine, this atomizer is tailored for you. First, take out the atomizer and its pump from the pouch. They are designed to be handy and easy to use. Now, unscrew the top of the atomizer and put it on the table. You'll see it's really simple. Next, take off the spray top from your perfume bottle. It's quick and easy. Attach the pump to your perfume bottle. This part helps you to move your perfume into the atomizer without any mess. Fill the atomizer with your favorite perfume. It's easy like this. You can fill it as much as you need for your trip or day out. Once you have filled it, screw the spray tops back on both the atomizer and your perfume bottle. This keeps everything secure and prevents any leaks. Now, place the atomizer gently back into its case. It's safe and ready for your adventures. Now, your favorite perfume can go wherever you do. The Atomizer is perfect for anyone who loves feeling fresh on the go. Thank you for choosing Exclusive Lines. Enjoy your new Atomizer and the freedom it brings to your fragrance experience.